Good morning, order tackle laundry dan is speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning. Can you send somebody for take my laundry, please?
Alright sir, so may I know your name and then your room number please?
Yes, of course. My name is Alex. I'm from room is 225 on the second floor. I would like to laundry my 2 t-shirt, 2 trousers, and 1 vest.
Alright Mr. Alex, your room number is 225 on the second floor. And then, what kind of service would you like to your laundry, Mr. Alex?
What kind of service do you have?
We have 2 kinds of service in our laundry, Mr. Alex. There are regular service and express service. For the regular service, it will be done for 1 day, and then our valet will deliver your laundry before 6 p.m. And then for the express service, it will be done for 3 hours. Start from the valet pick up your laundry from your room, Mr. Alex. And then for the express service, it will be extra charge for you.
Alright, I would like to take it for the express service.
Certainly, Mr. Alex. So, do you have any special request? Maybe you want it to hanger it or just fold it, Mr. Alex?
Alright, for that, I would like to hold that for all item, and then for the payment, I would like to use by cash, right?
Alright, sir. Is there anything else?
For my 2 t-shirt, please be careful if you washing them, because for the color, it's so easy to fade.
Alright, sir. May I make sure again your laundry request?
Yes, of course.
Alright, Mr. Alex, your laundry are 2 t-shirts, 2 trousers, and 1 vest. And in the service, you would like to choose the express service with washing and pressing. And then for the 2 t-shirts, we will be careful when we washing them. And then all items just folded. And for the payment, you will pay by cash. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, is that correct?
Alright, sir. Our valet will pick up your laundry to your room. And then thank you for choosing our laundry. Have a nice day.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a nice day too.
Thank you so much, sir.
Morning, valet service please. Valet service please. Morning, Mr. Alex.
Yes,
my name is
morning.
Adit. I'm from valet. I want to pick up your laundry. May I check your laundry?
Yes, please come in. My laundry on the bed. You can check first.
Alright. Right, Mr. Alex.
Yes.
Your laundry for today is 2 trousers, 2 t-shirt, and 1 vest. Is that correct?
Yes, is that correct?
Mr. Alex, I get it from my producer.
Yes.
You will to use express service, washing and pressing, and for all item just full. And for 2 t-shirt, we make sure to be careful.
Yes.
And then for payment, you want to pay by cash. Is that correct?
Is that correct?
And Mr. Alex, your
Yes.
laundry is ready for 3 hours, and I will deliver your laundry at 11 a.m.
Alright, this is not a problem for me. I can waiting for that.
And thank you for using our laundry, and
Yes.
have a nice day.
Yes, thank you so much.
The first thing to do before the washing process is checking gas laundry. There are several processes when checking gas laundry, such as the first, check the pocket or guest item there. The second step, choose clothes by the type, vest, t-shirt, trouser. The third step, write complete the laundry list. The fourth step, make sure the guest room number on the laundry list. The fifth step, after all the clothes are sorted and checked, all the clothes will be offered to the market.
The next step is to mark the guest clothes. The goal is to make the guest clothes easy to know during the packing process. There are several processes when marking guest laundry, such as the first, put the mark on the clothes according to the room number. The second, place the marking paper on the clothing area easy to see. Number 3, push the clothes with easy color fading. The last step, when process is the complete, all clothes will be offered to the washer.
After the process marking is completed, the next process is washing clothes. There are several processes when washing guest laundry, such as the first, put all the clothes in the washing machine. Second, add the detergent and softener with dust of 100 ml. Third, after everything is internal, then press the color button and start button. While waiting the washing machine is finished to wash, the next step is washing the clothes are easy to wet manually. After the washing process is completed, take the clothes from washing machine and place in the bucket. After that is drying process.
There are several processes when drying the clothes, such as the first step, put the clothes into the dryer tumbler. The second step, before starting to dry the clothes, make sure the dry settings are showing in the drying feature. The third step, after that, set the time we want to dry the clothes. And then press on button. And the last step, wait for the clothes to dry. The drying process is complete. The next step is ironing. First step is make sure the clothes must be dry. And then press the clothes. And then after everything is ready, next step is packing. Before packing, remove the group of number on the clothes.
Morning, toilet service please. Toilet service please.
Yes, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Alex. My name is
Yes.
Adit. I'm from toilet service. This is your laundry.
Thank you so much.
You can check first.
Alright, how much for the price is my laundry?
The price of the laundry is 70 rupiah. That's all include 50% cucian.
Please wait for the money, right? Yes. Is it complete, right?
Yeah, complete, Mr. Alex. May I get your sign, please?
Yes. Of course. Okay.
Alright, Mr. Alex. Thanks for choosing our laundry and
Alright,
have a
of
nice day.
course. Yes. Thank you so much.